So hello guys, once again it's Marufam here. Today I'm going to talk about how to recreate method section of an educational research paper. At times you are assigned to do so, and at times you want to apply somewhere but you cannot write research proposal because there is shortage of time, so you can recreate the method section of an already written research proposal. The first step to doing so is limitation. You can work on limitation. So for example, Creswell says that select as large a sample size as possible from the population. Previously, when I was doing my research on comparative analysis of leadership qualities of Pakistani and Indonesian principals, what I did, I had only selected 2 participants. That was the limitations. But when I was recreating the method section, I moved from 2 to 50. So this is something you can do. First of all, you can focus on the limitations and then change those limitations. And then the next step is unit of analysis. Unit of analysis is what kind of entity you are selecting, what kind of site you are selecting, organization, school, university, whatever that is. And then within that there is level, 1 level or 2 level. You can work on that. Unit of analysis, for example, previously you choose a school, now you can work on a university. 1 or 2 level is you only interviewed teachers previously, but now you are going to interview principals. This is what you can do. 1 level is only teachers, only principals. 2 level is now you are going to combine both. You are going to interview principals as well as teachers. And then sampling. Sampling is like when you want to know about a blood group of a particular person, you don't get the whole blood out of them. To know their blood group, you just take a sample out of them, and then from that you can generalize the blood group that that person has. This is something you can do. So previously in my research paper I used convenience sampling, but then Creswell 2011 suggests that when researchers use convenience sampling, they cannot say with confidence that the results can be generalized. Fine. So since according to Creswell, snowball sampling is the opposite of convenience sampling, I used that, which according to him has the advantage of recruiting large number of participants. Last but not least is instrument. You can work on instruments because according to Roney 2020, sometimes it may be necessary to modify the research instrument. Then according to him, when you use your research instrument, the data that you get out of those research instruments has to be sufficient enough to enable to generalize the statistical results from that. So this is what you can do. You can either change the limitations, focus on the limitations, and unit of analysis 1 or 2 level, and then there is sampling from one type of sampling to another, and there is instrument. From one instrument which has one entity, you can go on to have 2 entities. Thanks so much.